A light at the end of the tunnel for some of Singapore's low-income and vulnerable families. The Social and Family Development Ministry says that fewer of them received ComCare assistance last year. The number, around 45,000 households, is a 3% drop from 2020, the height of the pandemic. MSF says that it's an encouraging sign that families and individuals are recovering from the social and economic impact of COVID-19. But they're not out of the woods just yet, as numbers still remain above pre-COVID levels. Let's take a closer look at those numbers. MSF disbursed 177 million Sing dollars in ComCare assistance last year. Now, that's significantly less than the previous year's record-breaking high of $236 million. Now, still, it's one-third higher than the pre-COVID average of around 136 million. Now, meantime, households that tapped on short to medium-term assistance last year, they also show signs of stabilizing. Their numbers dropped 5% in 2021 compared to the previous year. MSF had extended the duration of support in 2020 due to the pandemic. One social service agency says that this could have helped some families get back on their feet.
I think the first year, a lot of people seek help, and by the second year, it has kind of stabilized. People are aware about the support that they can get, and they are able to actually adjust after the first year.
The number of households on long-term assistance continues on a downward trend, with a fall of 4% last year. MSF says that this could be due to more employed Singaporeans and enhanced support for seniors. But bucking the trend, more individuals received student care fee assistance last year. That's an increase of 12%. MSF attributes one reason to the larger number of students starting Primary 1 last year. More students also qualified for this scheme after the income eligibility criteria was enhanced in July of 2020. But the rising cost of living, that's putting the squeeze on lower income families, and social service agencies are gearing up for a rise in the demand for support. This includes a new demographic that's asking for help.
I think the increase in inflation may be affecting a group of people who perhaps living in private housing, or they are considered under the higher SES, that they may come here and require some support from us as well. They are requesting help because of marital issues and difficulties in managing the educational needs of the children in the family.